This is a product review on the 3 lampshade Farmhouse light fixture in black. I recently purchased this for our bathroom and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I can't wait to show you the final product. But for now, I want to show you what comes in the box when you order this light fixture. It comes with a user manual with very simple installation instructions. It comes with the wall mount. So this is the part that's going to be installed up on the wall. And as you can see, it's matte black. It's just so adorable. It also comes with 3 lampshades like this, which after you install the fixture, you'll screw these on, screw in your light bulbs, and you are good to go.
And here's the final product. These were so quick and easy to install. And as you can see, they're just the perfect addition to any bathroom that has a farmhouse feel. You can get these in a 3 or 4 light combo. I just really love this 3 light combo with the size of my mirrors and the size of my bathroom. It gives just the right amount of light. Overall, this is just such a great, fun, decorative light option. And if you choose to get them for your bathroom, I hope you absolutely love them.